Lloyd, who scored the gold medal winner in overtime in Beijing. With her third goal of this tournament, Alex Morgan with her fifth assist, and as Arlo said, no surprise, Abby Wambach involved as well. Japan, meanwhile, stayed aggressive, which left it to the American defense and goalie Hope Solo to hold the lead.
Danger for the USA. Offside, there's no flag. Here's the shot, it's clear. Bridge at the line. The rebound comes in and it's fought wide. Opportunity here, not a save by Hope Solo. Forces it onto the crossbar. And Ogimi, who had the original...
Next, 25 minutes in, a Japanese free kick, and it's blocked by the U.S. wall. A possible handball by Tobin Heath, not called. Then just a few minutes later, a laser by Abby Wambach almost resulted in a Japan own goal. As you see, it goes off the post, and the 1-0 score holds up for the rest of the half. Second half now, 54th minute, and Carly Lloyd strikes again.
Lloyd, still Lloyd! Oh, I say! What a goal by Carly Lloyd! Her second of the match!
One more look at it. Lloyd drills it from 20 yards out, 2-0 U.S.
Right.
But 9 minutes later, Japan, with some persistence, finally breaks through.
Here's Ono. Opportunity. Oh, it's cleared off the line. And he's still there, and it's a goal. They're back in it, Japan. Ogimi scores.
So the lead was cut in half, but Solo and the U.S. defense held strong from there. Finally, time ran out on Japan.
Alex Morgan to get the ball forward. It's all over. Redemption for the United States. Beaten on penalties in the World Cup Finals 389 days ago. They've come back to win the gold medal against Japan at Wembley Stadium in London 2012.
And the soccer team wasn't the only U.S. women's squad to earn a spot at the top of the podium today. In Olympic Park, the Americans were chasing their first ever gold medal in water polo, facing off against Spain in the pool. And in this one, the hero was the best player all tournament long. That's 19-year-old Maggie Stephens, just out of high school. She deferred her freshman year at Stanford to be on the Olympic team. Tonight she had 5 goals in the Americans' 8-5 win. And no surprise, Doc Emmerich at the mic did them justice.
And to Team USA, held by Stephens. She can bring it. She does. She scores! Lobs it on a cross and a goal!
Great read!
Maggie Stephens. Lobbed across now for Brenda Villa. 2 meters in a battle. Emerging and scoring out of all of that is Getsou.
Stephens led the tournament with 21 goals. The U.S. women's water polo team wins their first Olympic gold medal. And what happens when you win a gold medal in water polo? Well, everyone, and I mean everyone, winds up in the pool. Well, the U.S. victories at Wembley and the water polo arena came barely 5 minutes apart. The soccer team continuing a tradition of Olympic excellence, and maybe the water polo team beginning one. All of this is playing big in social media, which is why Ryan Seacrest joins us now. But before we get to the particulars, you've watched a lot of this unfold. What performance by a female athlete here has resonated with you?
So many great stories when you think about it. I had a chance to get to know the gymnasts, and I think Gabby Douglas, and Gabby winning the gold, seeing her at such a young age achieve that. She's a spirited, great role model for a lot of young girls.
And in social media, it seems it isn't just the performance or the outcome of an event. It's how people perceive personalities. That's what they respond to, and that's what they react to.
They get connected with them, and they enjoy their stories. Matter of fact, let me show you what we've got tonight.
Right.
3 days till closing ceremony, and there's actually a very significant milestone here in London. For the first time in the history of the Olympics, every participating nation has at least one female athlete, and that's resonating socially. 7 of the top 10 mentioned moments on Facebook in week 2 are female-related. Jessica Ennis, Alex Morgan, Ali Raisman, and a host of others all delivered buzzable bests. Then tonight on the pitch, Team USA made a whole lot of fans happy with their 4th gold medal. And not that soccer is a popularity contest, but on Facebook, the U.S. women have almost 200 times more fans than their Japanese rivals. And the soccer stars are delivering some quality content. They've kicked it around to Miley Cyrus's party in the USA, inspired a host of, shall we say, interesting Twitter accounts, and they've shown some big love for their fellow Olympians. Abby Wambach here giving a shout out to the U.S. beach volleyballers on gold and silver. And as hot as they are right now, Misty and Carrie do have to cool things down occasionally, giving followers an inside look to the chilly side of excellence. Carrie's post-competition ice baths are something of a fan favorite right now. So there you can see even the kids getting in on the action. That is our mini version of Ladies' Night from the social world. When we come back, more women Olympians as we go to the semifinals of platform diving. That's right after this.